The Storm Prediction Center has issued a particularly dangerous situation tornado watch for Ginger Vale, Baton, Sabuque, Alsea, Alcanch, Keyboda, Western Baltis, and Eastern Baltis. This is an ultra-rare, high-end atmospheric event. Multiple long-tracked, violent, and highly dangerous tornadoes are expected across the watch area. Hazard: destructive long-track tornadoes, gorilla-sized hail, and catastrophic straight-line winds. Impact: reinforced underground shelter is required for survival within the watch area. This is an active emergency. Your life is in extreme danger. Preparedness actions: a tornado watch means conditions are extremely favorable for the immediate development of intense tornadoes. Because of the unprecedented energy in the atmosphere, standard severe weather safety plans are insufficient. Locate your nearest reinforced underground shelter, cellar, or secure bunker immediately. Prepare to evacuate mobile homes and surface structures before warnings are issued. Monitor local broadcasts and prepare for an active system meltdown. Remember, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Monstrous tornadoes are expected.